Mobile production has never been easier thanks to the Padcaster Verse line of products and their ability to turn your smartphone into a mobile production hotspot. Introducing the Padcaster Verse Go, a lightweight and handheld solution for your smartphone. The Verse Go includes the Verse Grip, X-Pod, mini microphone, and dual mic and headphone splitter. The Verse Grip is compatible with smartphones up to 5.3 inches wide. The ergonomically designed handle also includes 3 built-in cold shoe mounts, helping you attach your desired accessories. With the integrated Q20 mount, you are able to attach your grip to your choice of tripods, handles, and rigs. The X-Pod is a mini tripod featuring a built-in rechargeable battery with USB output, powering your device for production. It features 90 degrees of tilt and 360 degrees of rotation, and the pistol grip feature allows you to have enhanced control of your shots. The included self-powered mini microphone and dual mic and headphone splitter allow you to record enhanced, high-quality audio from a shotgun microphone while you monitor the audio during shooting. Also included is a shock mount to reduce handling noise and a windscreen for recording clean audio in outdoor settings. To learn more about the Padcaster Verse Go, as well as other Padcaster Verse products, visit onesourcevideo.com today.